Hello again, everyone. My name is Magnus Melander. I guess most of you know me, so I will not present myself too much. I'm a co-founder of Things together with Linda Krondahl, who is somewhere behind the scene here, probably working on others, enjoying this presentation today. We started Things 8 years ago. It's a self-funded deep tech community focusing on industry, infrastructure, utilities, and mobility. And we have only one objective. It's to enable sustainable business relationships between corporates and corporate-ready tech companies. We are nowadays operating globally, so we have 100 members, roughly 50-50 split between tech companies and international corporates, from Japan and Australia all the way to US. And we also have some 20 partners with whom we can develop what we call quality cross-border services to our members. This is the second event for this year from us, and the previous one was interesting because it was the first energy event we had. It was about fossil-free energy, and the reason for that is quite interesting because over the years, all of a sudden last year, most of the corporates we operate with work with, they wanted us to start to focus more on energy. So we have more or less added another leg to things, which in the energy sector. And on top of that, with Deep Tech Alliance, our next accelerator program is also on energy. It's a clean energy accelerator starting in March. The services we provide for our members include things like challenges, matchmaking events of different sorts, workshops, acceleration programs, and we are often developing customized, unique services for one specific member who wants something done. And we are about to launch a little bit of new services here where we can, in a more granular way, provide customized services to specific members. So let's watch out for that. Our focus is purely on business, not education, research, or entertainment, even though these areas are very important as well. And our motto is hands-on business first. We don't waste a lot of time writing protocols or on PowerPoint slides or what have you. We try to get our hand dirty and make things happen. So I think by now I have killed a couple of minutes, so we are ready to start today's session. And it's all about smart factories. It's probably our best discipline at Things. I think this is the fifth digital event on smart factories. And most of the sharpest companies we have as members actually are in this space. And you all know that IoT actually triggered ability to connect products, materials, factories, cars, anything basically into internet, and that provided a great opportunity also for industries. And in short, it's all about now we can enable demand-driven manufacturing nearby instead of long, vulnerable supply chains far away. And with COVID, a lot of people have actually experienced the problems of those long, vulnerable supply chains. So this is how it's going to work today. I will moderate this. Each speaker has 8 minutes. But before the speakers start, we have our event partner, EFESO Consulting, who will share a couple of important things to us. And then we run through the presentations, high energy, a lot of speed, sharp on time. If you have questions, post them on the chat, and I try to put them forward. Otherwise, if we have time, we might have some Q&As after all the presentations already, if we have saved some time. All presentations will be provided on our YouTube channel. It's a great source, a library of great speeches by now. And remember, all the speakers, primarily that all of this is on video, so don't say anything you don't want to have on the internet, basically.